Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Model. I got a client's Milwakee Road FP45, added Tsunami sound to it and upgraded to all LED lighting. So there's the headlights, and now the way that this operates is the top light I have independent, and then the red light I have independent as well. So that goes on with F6, and that top light goes on with F5. And now, as far as how that operated, you can set them to anything. I don't have them set right now, but you can make it gyro or just steady like it is, or you know, I'll have to look into how those are supposed to go. But I thought that the addition of that red light instead of the jewel was a nice little add-on. So and custom weather, of course. And he has a couple proto 2000 F7s, and I gotta get these running with running with the proto. So I'll have a video of that later. But I just want to show him the lighting and the sound install. I'm going to move this over a bit just to try to get more head-on shot of the lighting. There you go, because that from that one angle doesn't quite do it as far as the lighting goes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.